Welcome to Dubai, a city full of life and adventure. But how do you get around? This video will show you how to navigate Dubai's public transport system. There are three main ways to get around: the metro, trams, and buses. You can purchase a NAL card, which is a prepaid card that works across all three of these services. The metro is the most efficient way to get around. It's fast, convenient, and reliable. It's also the best way to get to the major attractions in the city. Trams are a great way to get around the city center. They are cheaper than the metro and provide a scenic view of the city. Buses are ideal for those who want to explore the city on a budget. They're affordable, and you can get to many attractions and sites. So, no matter where you're headed, Dubai's public transport system has you covered.